Hey my friends, it's me Manuel from The Good Life Sosua, and here I'm gonna show you how to book one of our properties through our official rental site. Let's go. I'm here. I'm gonna show you my screen so you can see how to book my properties. So you can go in your preferred web browser and type rentals.thegoodlifesosua.com, and it will appear our website where you can select whatever property you want, or you can select the exact dates that you're interested in. Also, you can select how many guests as well. Once it loads, it will appear all the properties with the exact price. Keep in mind that all the price varies depending on the season. And in the right side, we have a map where you can see where the property is exactly located. The majority of our properties near to the Pedro Santos streets, or all the beaches, restaurants, and bars. And once you type one property, it will give you the exact description of the property, and in the right side, you will see the prices. And you can also request the book. Once you press request the book, you must put your name, last name, email, and phone number. So as a test, I'm gonna put guest name and guest last name. Obviously, I'm gonna put my email address so you can see what information you will receive in your email address. And I'm gonna put our phone number of The Good Life Sosua. Once you press continue, it will give you like a summary of all the details. And before you request the book, you must accept the terms and conditions. So the booking request is already made. So you have 24 hours to pay security deposit. So in order to confirm the reservation, you must pay a security deposit through a secure link that we sent you. So this is the email that you'll receive, and just right there you will see the link that will redirect you to our website as well. So once this website loads, here you can pay with PayPal. All depends on what country you are. You can pay with their payment methods, also with debit or credit card. You just fill that information and you pay. So I'm gonna show you from my end how it looks. So I just go to the inbox, and here you can see guest's name and last name, and here I can see from my end the exact description of how much you will pay. And once we receive the deposit, I'll just press accept. Keep in mind that if I don't receive the deposit in 24 hours, it will be canceled automatically. So you'll receive this email where you can manage your stay in case you can add or reduce nights if you want, just by texting me. And here you can see like all the information, the payments. And for example, if you wanna, let's say, cancel, you can decide yes or no. So also, you will receive another email with the guidebook of the apartment, like more useful information. It's about Wi-Fi, check-in time, local recommendations that we provide, and all those stuffs. So if you make it till here I'm gonna put a 5% discount for the first 30 guests that makes a booking with us. So in order to apply in the checkout, you just put apply discount code, and here you put your discount code. Keep in mind that it will be valid for the first 30 guests that books with us. So yes, my friend, thanks for watching. Hopefully you understand how to book with The Good Life Sosua. In case that you have more questions regarding this subject, please let me know in the comments below, or please write me in the number that is in the description. So yes, thanks for watching. See you, stay safe, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.